Hi folks, my name's Ken.Quick. I'm a retired teacher and coach from Idaho. If you call in and ask for the coach, you'll get to me. My number is 208-250-8625. Today it's my pleasure to show you this 2020 Newmar Dutch Star 3709. What an awesome coach. 450 Cummins, side draft radiator, beautiful coach. Let's go inside and take a look around. We're going to start back in the bathroom. This is a bath and a half model in a 37-foot coach. Okay, so what we've got here is we've got this closet. If you want to wash or dryer, it'll be a stacker, not an all-in-one, which is the way to go. Emergency escape door with a built-in ladder in these Dutch Stars. And Newmar came up with that plan, and it was a good plan. Vanity here, nice sink. Over here is bifold door with a safe. Nice shower with a seat. Privacy door here. King size bed, windows on both sides. Always nice to have that. Over here on this side, we have a big TV here in the bedroom. Storage on both sides of the TV. Lots of drawers underneath, 6 of them to be exact. Privacy door here in the bedroom. This is kind of a nice feature, like this frosted glass. This coach is equipped with heated floors, so your toes will not get cold. You've got central vac. It's a bath and a half model right here in the bathroom. And across the hall over here, we've got our refrigerator, residential refrigerator. We've got our table here. This table extends out, and there's a couple more chairs. You have a desk right here that slides out. Cords go down through there, and there is actually room for a printer down here below, in case you want to do a little business. Okay, as we move into the kitchen, you'll see a couple of big, deep sinks. Up above, you've got a slide drawer, solid wood. More drawers here, even with a slide-out garbage can. Spray nozzle. I love this black chrome. Right here, this is an all-electric coach. This is a induction cooktop. This can be unplugged and taken outside to cook outside, which is, if you're doing this right, you're going to be down south in the winter and up north in the summer. This is a televator here that comes up. TV's here if when you want a TV. Fireplace down below. Bose system on this. Across from the TV, nice couch with ottomans. There's storage in these ottomans. Always need a little more storage. Both seats turn around. Both seats are recliners. Auto leveling, heated mirrors, charge pads for your phone over on the driver's side and the passenger side. We've got electric shade in the front. Beautiful coach. Corian entryway here. Here's the other pad for charging your phone. This coach is equipped with comfort drive, electronically assisted steering. Outstanding. Really fun to drive these Newmar coaches with the comfort drive. Makes it really easy to travel a little bit longer each day if you need to. Doorbell, coated entry, big wheels and tires. Outdoor TV, awnings on the windows, really helps when it's hot like it is right now. Frameless windows, they swing out from the bottom. You can have them open when it's raining. Big storage area here. Slide tray here, half slide tray, wide though. Automatic locks on your slides, so when it goes in, it fits flush in here, and it locks the coach in. If I'm tough enough to do this, see that little flap up top? When this slide comes in, it fits inside here. These gaskets do not see the sun when you're going down the road. They last longer. It's a great way to do it. And that locks this coach in, locks that slide in so it can't come out. More storage here. There's your central vac. Moving down the coach. Storage here. Chassis batteries, electrical switch. Because this is a Dutch Star, it has a side draft radiator. Allows you to have access to check your fluids, your belts, to do that maintenance if you choose to do so. This coach has a 10,000 pound tow capacity on a Freightliner custom chassis. This coach is equipped with 360-degree monitoring system cameras. You hear something go bump in the night, you can check your monitor inside. It'll show you if someone's outside your coach or if it's something rubbing up against your coach. You'll know that and you won't have to go outside to check it. You'll notice 50 amp hose is on a reel. That is a great addition to this coach. These are drop hinges, so this drops as you open it, which gives you a little more clearance between this door and the slide. So it comes up and then drops down when you're opening this coach. You've got water on a reel, filter system, outdoor shower, sewer wrench, all your controls right here for the clean out bay. Oasis heat system, nice even heat. Again, this coach is equipped with a heated floor. More storage there. All electric coach, 8 batteries on a slide tray, easy access. Again, right here is your 360, part of your 360 security camera, right up here. Awning on the slide, help protect it from the sun. Kind of the brains of the outfit here. I stay out of this area. Okay, side cameras again, 3M mask on the front. If you have any questions about this coach or any other coach, call the coach, that's me, 208-250-8625. I know you got more questions about this coach. It is beautiful. Thank you very much.